Hello everyone, welcome to Biology. Today lecture 5 part 9. So my dear student, last class we have learned about double fertilization in flowering plant. So as a result of double fertilization, primary endosperm nucleus and zygote are developed. So we know that in flowering plant, sexual reproduction process has three major events. One is known as pre-fertilization events, second is fertilization events, and third is post-fertilization events. So we have learned about pre-fertilization events. So in pre-fertilization events, we have learned that how male reproductive and female reproductive parts are developed, matured, they form male as well as female gametes. Then during fertilization process, we came to know about how fusion occurs, and as a result, primary endosperm nucleus and zygote are developed. Today, let us learn about post-fertilization events, different structures and events. Okay. So post-fertilization means after fertilization, what are the different processes or activities that are seen in flowering plant. So post-fertilization events consist of the following process. Number 1, development of endosperm. Number 2, development of embryo. Number 3, development of seed. And number 4, development of fruit. So these are the 4 events that are seen during post-fertilization process of sexual reproduction. So now let us learn one by one. So development of endosperm. So we came to know about primary endosperm nucleus. Now after primary endosperm nucleus, this primary endosperm nucleus will develop into endosperm. So my dear student, we have how we can so how we can say that we have seen this endosperm or we have tested endosperm. So I hope that everybody have tested this coconut water and this coconut fruit portion, okay, which we eat, that a flesh. Okay, so these are examples of endosperm. So that tender coconut consists of water. That water is a type of endosperm. So today we will learn that how this development of endosperm occur. Okay. So in most common type of endosperm development, the primary endosperm nucleus undergoes successive nuclear divisions to produce or to form a large number of free nuclei without cell wall. Okay, and this stage is called free nuclear endosperm. So in most of the endosperm development, it is seen that the primary endosperm nucleus they undergoes successive nuclear division. Okay, so as a result, what happen, a large number of free nuclei are developed, and these nuclei are without cell wall, and because of which they are known as free nuclear endosperm. Okay, then cell wall formation occurs subsequently. So after some time, subsequently the cell wall formation occur and the endosperm becomes cellular. So after the formation of cell wall, only they will become cellular, otherwise they are free nuclear endosperm. Okay, now the coconut water from tender coconut is an example of free nuclear endosperm, and the surrounding kernel is the cellular endosperm. So here is a diagram or a picture which shows that solid white flesh of endosperm. This is the cellular endosperm, whereas the coconut milk or liquid endosperm, this is free nuclear endosperm. So I hope that you came to know the two type of endosperm, free nuclear endosperm and cellular endosperm. So ultimately the endosperm, they are filled with reserve food. Okay, so they are filled with reserve food. So the cells of endosperm are filled with reserve food materials, and these reserve food materials are used for the nutrition of developing embryo. So the developing embryo will get nutrition from this reserve food, and this reserve food are stored in endosperm. So what is the importance of endosperm? So the importance of endosperm is that they store food material, and this food material are used by the embryo for their development process. Okay, so this is the way how endosperm develop. The tender coconut, which consists of coconut water, it is an example of free nuclear endosperm. Okay, or here the picture you can see that coconut milk is liquid endosperm. Okay, and the surrounding kernel of that coconut, okay, that solid white flesh of that endosperm, that is cellular endosperm. Cellular endosperm means they will contain cell wall, whereas free nuclear endosperm, they will not contain any cell wall, but they are free nuclei. Okay, so we came to know about endosperm. So I hope that you have understood. So thank you.